What's up there guys, Louis here, and I'm here to Parquet to visit Titan so that I can claim my PG 2.5 PlayStation. Luckily enough, I won in the raffle, and that's a good thing. No need to pay for resale prices. So what are you waiting for? Let's check it out. We're back here at home with the Paul George 2.5 PlayStation. Shoutout again to Titan for that really cool raffle opportunity where I easily got the pair at SRP. So let's check out the pair, and the Paul George 2.5 PlayStation is actually nice for me personally because it dons a classic PlayStation gray color, in wolf gray particularly. And looking up into the pair, there are a few cool features about the Paul George 2.5 PlayStation. Up close in the upper and the strap, you can see patent letter detailing with a print of all the 4 PlayStation buttons. It's definitely a classic, and the print is subtle, makes it look awesome. In the back tab, we have Paul George's name printed like the typical PlayStation font, which just like the first pair that came out, the black one, which was harder to find, the gray pair also lights up. So let's check it out here. Not sure you can see it, but yeah, there's a button at the back to power up the light up sneakers on the tongue. Same goes with the other pair, and you can play around with it for some special effects if you feel like flexing. Yep, some people like to do it that way. You can choose either fixed lighting or press it again so that it blinks like ambient lighting, similar to those you see in RGB gaming equipment, except this one only emits blue light, which is for me just fine. It's subtle but enough for you to stand out the crowd, especially if you rock this pair at night. Before we do some on-feed shots of the PG 2.5 PlayStation, let's do a bit of B-roll for this pair. Does a PG 2.5 fit? Well, honestly, they fit really snug, especially in the forefoot area where you have your forefoot strap. I'm size 11, got this in size 11, and it feels just right. Not too tight, not too loose. But for others who don't like the snug fit of this, because I think it's more suited for narrow feet like the older KD models, I suggest you go half a size up. Speaking of cushioning, this one's pretty good. It's slightly stiff but comfortable thanks to its zoom cushioning, as you can see here. It's responsive, and I guess it's perfect for a workout in the gym aside from basketball. So, would this be a collector's item? My best guess is it's a definitely a yes, because it's a Nike and PlayStation collaboration, and plus the fact that it's limited, it's hard to find. It's definitely gonna be a neck breaker. Although I have to be mindful about the light off tongue since they come with a disposable battery, which means if the battery runs out or dies off, well, you cannot light them off anymore. So I suggest you only use the light up feature of this only when you want to show off or you just want to make a statement. Don't be stupid enough to light it up like 24/7. That's crazy, man. So that's it for now, and this is probably my last cup for 2018 and probably one of my best pickups for this year. So looking forward to 2019 with a lot of new releases like those from the Jordans, those from Adidas, and from other brands. Let's see what we might pick up next year. So until the next vlog, advance Merry Christmas, guys.